Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on vector calculus topic line integral. Let us evaluate line integration of f bar dot dr bar over the curve C in xy plane along the curve. The equation of the curve is y is equal to x cube between the points in the xy plane between the points 1, 1 and 2, 8. The points are 1, 1 to 2, 8, where that f bar is, vector function f bar is 5xy minus 6x square into I plus second component is 2y minus 4x into j and plus third component it is 0. Therefore, it is in xy plane having two components along I and along j. To find the value of that f bar dot dr bar, we write down what is given f bar and dr bar. Dr bar is nothing but the derivative of r bar, where r bar represents the position vector as xi plus yj, and therefore dr bar is equals to dxi into dyj. Therefore, we have two vectors f bar and dr bar. Then we find a dot product of f bar dot dr bar as a1b1 plus a2b2. Therefore, it is 5xy minus 6x square into dx. First, I will write down the complete f bar and then dot product with dr bar. Therefore, f bar is 5xy minus 6x square into I plus 2y minus 4x into j, a dot product with dxi plus dyj. And as per the definition of dot product, it is nothing but a1b1 means it is 5xy minus 6x square into dx. This term 5xy minus 6 square in the bracket into dx plus a2b2 means 2y minus 4x bracket close into dy, and we call this as equation number 1. Then the given curve of that given equation of the curve is y is equal to x cube, along which we have to obtain the integration. Therefore, differentiating it with respect to x, we get dy is equal to 3x square into dx. Then substituting this in equation 1, the value of that f bar dot dr bar becomes, replacing y as x cube, we get 5 into x into y means x cube. Therefore, it becomes 5x raised to 4. 5x into x cube means it becomes minus 6x square as it is, no change, into dx, that also as it is. Then in the second bracket it is plus 2y means 2 into x cube minus 4x into dy. Dy means 3x square into dx. Then taking dx common from all these two terms, we get the terms as 5x raised to 4. First becomes 5x raised to 4 minus 6x square plus 2x into that becomes 3 to the 6 x raised to 5. The third term is 6x raised to 5 and minus 12x cubed, and which is multiplied by x square, into dx. And therefore, integrating on both sides, we get integration of f bar dot dr bar, nothing but the value of that line integral over that curve C, as integration of this. I will write on the highest order term first, that is 6x raised to 5, then plus 5x raised to 4, then minus 12x cubed, then minus 6x square, its integration with respect to x. Integrating each and every term with respect to x, we get 6x raised to 6 by 6. Between the limits x is equals to 1 to x is equals to 2. And therefore, we get 6x raised to 6 by 6, 6 get cancelled, then plus 5, x raised to 5 by 5, again here 5 by 5 get cancelled, minus 12, x raised to 4 by 4, 4 3s are 12, we get 3 times x raised to 4, and 6x cubed by 3, 3 to the 6, we get 2 times x cubed between the limits 1 to 2. And therefore, rewriting that value, we get x raised to 6 first term, second as x raised to 5, third as minus 3x raised to 4, and fourth as minus 2x raised to 3 between the limits 1 to 2. When we substitute upper limit as 2 for x, we get that value as 32. Performing by calculator, we get that 2 raised to 6 plus 2 raised to 5 minus 3 into 2 raised to 4 and minus 2 times 2 raised to 3 values for the upper limit. The sum of all this is 32 minus lower limit as 1 raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 5 minus 3 into 1 raised to 4 and minus 2 into 1 raised to 3. We get 32 as value for the upper limit, and minus in bracket for lower limit it is 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, minus 3 and minus of it became plus 3. Therefore 32 plus 3, we get the value as 35. The value of that line integral is 35. Answer. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel